In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer groups in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find customer segments, how to use Shopify's built-in options, and how to create a custom segment that fits your business. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login and sign in to your store. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look to the left-hand panel and click on Customers. This is your hub for managing everyone who buys from you or subscribes to your updates. Inside the Customers area, open the Segments option from the drop-down. Segments are essentially customer groups based on shared characteristics, things like customers who placed an order in the last 30 days, those who subscribe to email marketing, or people who haven't purchased yet. Shopify provides a few default segments right out of the box. These are a great starting point because they're already set up with useful filters. In many cases, you simply need to add customers who fit those criteria, and Shopify will gather them for you automatically. If someone isn't appearing where you expect, double check their profile details and tags so they meet the segment's conditions. If you want something tailored to your business, you can create your own segment. Click Create Segment. You'll see a space where you can describe your segment. Use a clear, meaningful name so you and your team instantly understand its purpose, something like high-value repeat buyers or new subscribers this month. As you define your segment, think about the characteristics that matter to your workflow, like purchase history, location, subscription status, or tags you use to organize VIPs or wholesale customers. Add the customers that best fit this segment and make sure your filters reflect exactly who you want included. As you set it up, take a moment to preview the results so you understand who will be grouped together. This helps you avoid sending messages to the wrong audience or missing people who should be included. When everything looks right, click Use Segment to save it. Your segment will now be available alongside the defaults, ready to use for targeted emails, discounts, or personalized follow-ups. That's it, simple, organized, and powerful. With segments, your marketing becomes more relevant, your outreach more efficient, and your customers get a better experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward Shopify tutorials.